Hi, my lovely Virgos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Virgos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Virgos, while shuffling for you guys, I was connecting to I guess a couple of different energies. One of them being someone is kind of is kind of trying to decide something or arriving at a decision. I believe someone is planning a travel but not able to decide. Maybe you are researching more on something. Maybe someone is wanting to go abroad for higher studies possibly, but not able to arrive at a decision, or I don't know what it is. But I think that someone definitely is wanting to travel and is not able to decide. Someone is doing a thorough research around something is what I was getting. Another energy that I was connecting to was someone probably is having a lot of toxicity in and around. Okay, now it could be the thing that I was connecting or seeing was through the cards that were coming up was someone is having a lot of mental conflict, lot of battle, lot of struggle. Now it could be in your environment, but it has created some sort of toxicity in you yourself as well. Okay, you're not aware of it probably. Okay, there is some sort of shadowy side in and around you. Okay, external as well as internal. Maybe you guys are addicted to something, a substance probably, or binge watching, or any sort of addiction, smoking, alcohol. I don't know what it is, but some sort of very toxic pattern I saw in someone. Okay, this could be because of external conditions, external circumstances, but somewhere you have imbibed the toxicity is what I'm getting, and you are not aware of it. Okay, you are projecting it onto others is also what I was getting. Okay, subconsciously. Let's see if that card comes out in the main reading. The image of that card was very peculiar, and if it comes out I'll be able to explain more. That was something that I was connecting to. And what else? Yeah, I think that was about it. Yeah, so with that, guys, let's see what messages we have for you guys for the month of May 2022. Okay, the cards are still jumping. Something had flipped up. Let me shuffle one more time and then we'll start taking. Okay. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, some sort of decision to be made over here. Maybe you guys are also juggling a lot of things. King of Wands, the Emperor. So guys, yes, there is five of swords as well, though I'm not picking it up, but yes, there is, oops, sorry about that, there is some sort of conflict and some sort of battle happening that you guys are dealing with. So guys, in your recent past, I feel that you guys were juggling too many balls. Okay, you guys were literally striving to have work-life balance. Okay, it was a kind of a it was a kind of a fight to strike balance. Okay, these are, if you see, this guy is this boy is trying to juggle two pentacles. Two pentacles are all about material aspects of our being. Okay, so you guys are really trying to strike balance between two things. Probably there was some decision making involved as well. Okay. And since it is pentacles, I feel that it was related to someone's work life. Okay, or work life balance is what I'm getting. Right at the bottom is the world card. Okay, I also feel that some of you guys might have even traveled for or you were on the move, traveling to different cities or even countries for work purposes is what I'm getting. Okay, that is also the kind of energy I'm getting. I also feel that for some of you guys in the recent past, your work had become your world. Okay, you were like eating, sleeping, breathing work. Okay, work or work related things is what I'm getting. It was like, see how this nest is formed in at this person. Okay, persons around. Okay, there are birds sitting, there is a man, there is a deer, there is a lion. So everything was centered around work is what I'm getting over here. So yes, a lot of energy, major time was consumed around work in the recent past. Coming to the present energy, I feel that some of you guys are close to getting their wishes fulfilled. Okay, Nine of Cups is Nine of Cups is just one step ahead to 10, and 10 is a completion of one cycle of a suit. Okay, now Nine of Cups is someone's wish fulfillment, desires being fulfilled. Okay, I also feel that for some of you guys, now this is again a specific message, it might not resonate with all, but for some of you guys, there could be someone who is admiring you in terms of relationship. Okay, and they are actually seeing you as their dream person. Okay, it could be he or she. Okay, take it how it resonates, but someone feels that you are that dream boy or dream girl. Okay, you are all that they desired. Okay, they see as their dreams coming true through you. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting over years. You guys might have met through internet. Okay, via online dating apps or matrimonial site, but for some of you guys, someone here is viewing the other person as a wish fulfillment, as his or her wish fulfillment. We'll still clarify more on this King of Wands. But that's what I'm getting over here. For some of you guys, I also feel that you guys, this Seven of Swords is just looking at this Nine of Cups energy. I feel that you guys really need to overcome your fears. Okay, you guys really need to have faith in your skills and capabilities is what I'm getting. I feel that some of you guys are sitting in the energy of a little low confidence. Okay, you have a lot of potential, but you are kind of underestimating yourself is what I'm getting. Okay, because what I'm seeing over here is this is not how the world sees you. The world sees you as perfect. Okay, the world sees you as very capable, very potential person, but it is you who is sitting in the energy of fear and not having much confidence. Okay, you need to let go of that. You guys need to all you need to do probably is bring discipline into your life, get a little more organized is what I'm seeing. Okay, there is Aries energy showing strongly over here. Okay, I also feel that for some of you guys who are dating, okay, please be a little mindful and careful. This person might not be as he or she is portraying out to be. There could be a little player energy or little shadowy side to this person. Okay, little sneakiness is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, so just be a little careful. Do not get carried away, do not get swayed away, and do not see things just through rose tinted glasses. Okay, be mindful. There could be more than what you are seeing right now. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting very, very strongly. So just be very careful. Okay, I also feel that there could be someone who is kind of dominating you. Okay, who is kind of trying to control your actions. Okay, just step into your own element. Just be sure about your own value system, your own belief system, and do not let other person or others call the shots. That's the kind of message I'm getting over here. There could be definitely someone who is very, very dominating, that is around your energies, what I'm getting. Okay, it could be at workplace, or it could be at personal level as well. Also, I feel that some of you guys need to be a little more organized in your life. Okay, need to bring a little more discipline in your life is what I'm getting. You guys need to be a little more structured in terms of your day-to-day activities, chores. Okay, plan your day, plan your activities is what I'm getting. I also feel that there is a lot of influence of some father figure involved over here. Okay, it could be he or she, but some sort of a bossy kind of figure around you is what I'm seeing, guys. Yeah, we will definitely clarify the King of Wands. Who is the King of Wands? Who is sitting right above the Nine of Cups? Sorry. Three of Wands has popped up, guys. I definitely feel that some of you guys are planning travel. Okay, definitely, and this could be overseas travel as well. But you guys are waiting for something, waiting for the right time, probably. Yes, there is Eight of Wands. There is Three of Cups. Okay, yes, I definitely feel you guys are planning travel. Fire energy is what is seen over here. Seven of Pentacles and Five of Cups. Now, guys, this is what I had seen while pre-shuffling as well, and the High Priestess is showing a lot. Okay, Pisces energy. You guys are sitting, or rather even now you are sitting in the energy of some past hurt. Okay, you are not able to move on is what I am seeing. Okay, you guys are still tightly clenching onto something and are you guys are kind of very much attached to some incident or some scenario, or I don't know what to call, some person probably, and you're not able to let go is what I'm getting over here. Okay, Queen of Cups, guys. Yeah, I definitely feel that, man, there is Empress as well. Empress card definitely tells about Empress card tells about pregnancy. Some of you guys might expect pregnancy in upcoming weeks, months. Okay, or maybe you guys might be in your initial trimester as well of pregnancy is what I'm getting over here. There is also inception of something new, but most important is this King of Wands. Like I said, for some of you guys, there could be a new beginning in terms of relationship. There could be a person who is viewing you as this perfect Empress and this Queen of Pentacles, and this young lady who is so capable of taking care of herself. Okay, who is so self-sufficient, grounded energy. There is a lot of earth energy over here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, especially Taurus. Okay, So yeah, definitely this King of Wands is viewing you as this very beautiful energy, beautiful woman or beautiful person. Now take it how it resonates. I am talking about energies and not the genders, okay? But whoever is, if you people are connecting, you guys are going to be a power couple, okay? One is full of passion, one could be a little fiery energy and a grounded energy. Earth is a grounded energy and wand is a fiery energy, okay? So you guys are going to be a perfect blend is what I am seeing over here. This person could be a little dominating, okay? Could be a little on alpha side in terms of relationship, but overall I feel that this is going to be a very powerful association. Death card is showing up, Scorpion energy. Some of you guys are going to end something because there is world card and there is death card. Definitely one karmic cycle is getting completed for some of you guys. One chapter of life getting over here, okay? There is one ending, but at the same time there is an inception also. Inception of inception in terms of life. Like I said, there could be pregnancy involved, or it could be a new business, start of a new business. Someone might be starting a new business altogether, okay? You might start your own blog, vlog, social media page, YouTube channel, okay? That could also be the possibility. Something related to hobby that you're converting into profession, that could also be a a possibility that I'm seeing over here. For some of you guys, there is going to be some sort of communication coming your way, okay? And this is related to work is what I'm getting, okay? Maybe for some of you guys, you might get a new job opportunity, okay? And I feel that this is going to come out of the blue. You might not be expecting this, but there is going to be some message coming through in terms of work. I also feel that this page could bring the news of this pregnancy, okay? And that is kind of a sudden change that might happen in your life, okay? You might hear about the pregnancy when you're not expecting it, is what I'm getting, okay? But please expect some sort of message coming through, okay? Some sort of message coming through, some sort of sudden change coming through, okay? I also feel that, guys, the King of Swords here is telling me that please be very clear in your communication. Guys, there are three male energies over here. There is a lot of masculine energy I'm seeing over here. In fact, I'm getting an energy of lot of dominance coming through from someone, okay? Lot of dominance, like lot of stubbornness probably, but it's like someone is totally calling the shots over here, okay? And I don't think it's you, Virgos. I do not think it's you. It is someone else who is influencing you, someone else who is influencing your decisions. That's the kind of energy I'm getting over here. Make sure that you are very clear in your communication. Ace of Swords is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Whatever it is, make sure that you put your point across very clearly, okay? Do not let anyone manipulate you, is what I'm getting over here. What else? There was something else that I was getting. For some of you who are dating, okay, there could be more than one contenders or one person here, okay? You might be interacting with multiple people here, is what I'm getting, and one amongst those is very dominating, okay? I also feel that the person that you are interacting with could be a middle-aged person, okay? Someone who is in their 30s or even 40s is what I'm getting, okay? This is not a young energy, definitely a very mature energy is what I'm getting. But guys, for some of you guys, there's going to be an unexpected change, unexpected communication happening, okay? So be prepared. I'm giving a heads up for that, and whatever it is, please do let me know, guys. I'm like super curious to know what it is. Let's pull some additional messages for you guys from this beautiful and favorite deck of mine. A new romantic cycle begins. Yes, I definitely have that I'm getting that energy that for some of you guys there is going to be new beginning in terms of love life for sure, and there are going to be more than one people involved over here. Be bold and make the first move. Okay, to whoever it applies, maybe that is going hand in hand with the King of Swords energy, wherein you need to initiate things and communicate. Okay, that could also be the case. Anything else? Anything else for my beautiful Virgos? Any other message? It's time to take action. Yes, definitely. Meditate and contemplate is what I had seen while shuffling also. So guys, the King of Swords, this king is all about actions. Okay, Knight of Swords and King of Swords, it's all about actions, and definitely this card is going hand in hand. New moon in Aries, Emperor card is also an Aries sign. So guys, you, like I said, for some of you guys, you really need to be a little more organized, little more clear in communication, and you probably it's high time that you take some actions, or you speak your mind, or take actions in whichever form you are required to take. Okay, that's the kind of message I'm getting through this oracle and tarot cards as a whole. Okay, let's see what messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Wait, okay, so probably let's see some more cards. Maybe you need to yeah, okay, the weight could be for this Knight of Swords, because the Knight of Swords, guys, there could be a scenario wherein you might end up getting just carried away. Okay, one thing, Virgos, I want to mention you here is, or rather flag here is, I am seeing a lot of influential energy over here. Okay, someone is kind of brainwashing you, or you are doing that to someone else, and in that bid, make sure that you do not end up acting impulsively. Okay, so definitely think before you act. Okay, this is the kind of message I'm getting when I'm seeing these two cards together. So definitely think before you act is what I'm getting. A word of caution over here. The situation will improve. Wow, wait, the situation will improve, and let go. Let go. Yeah, this is what I probably, or I don't remember if I've said it over here. Like I said, there is, yeah, I think I told you, there is someone who is not able to let go of certain situation, or a person, or whatever it is. You are tightly clenching onto something. Okay, you are kind of hurt probably, or you are kind of disturbed about something, and you are not able to let go. So the angels are telling you to let go, guys. You really need to let go of whatever it is. The situation will improve, but try to detach. Okay, and there are a lot of swords also in this energy. Swords are all about rational thinking. Okay, so make sure that you do not get carried away, do not get swayed away by external influences. Listen to your intuition, listen to your subconscious mind, and act accordingly. Meditate and contemplate if you are feeling too much of clutter. Okay, that will also help you just calm down and ground is what I'm seeing over here. Very, very interesting. Virgos, this reading had a lot of different energies is what I'm seeing. Okay, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. Do not try to fit in. Okay, and if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. Share your experiences, drop comments. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.